Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. Today we'll be doing the unboxing and I'll give my first impressions of the new OnePlus 7 smartphone in its mirror blue glory. So I purchased this OnePlus 7 smartphone mirror blue from Amazon yesterday in the Prime Day sale, and today we'll be doing the unboxing and we shall take a first look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, this is the box package of the OnePlus 7 smartphone, and on this side we have this OnePlus 7 name that has been written. On the top surface there is this OnePlus community and some text has been written, and there is this 7 logo that mentions that this device is OnePlus 7. As you can see on the back surface we have this mirror blue and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and also it says some other information about the SAR value as well. Once we open the box package of the OnePlus 7, the first thing that we'll be greeted with is this card. Once we open this red color package, I think it should contain the case of the OnePlus 7. As expected, there is this OnePlus 7's case, and also there is this user manual and some instruction guide that is present inside this package. So this is the SIM ejector tool, which says OnePlus and which has to be used while inserting SIM onto your smartphone. And there is this OnePlus sticker which you can put it onto your laptops. There is this Never Settle and OnePlus logo sticker. So this is the transparent TPU case that has been provided inside the box package of the OnePlus 7. So this is the OnePlus 7 smartphone that is present inside the box, and as you can see, this is the mirror blue edition which was recently launched yesterday itself in the Prime Day sale. And inside the box we also get this dash charger, which is the very famous dash charger that we'll get with all the OnePlus devices. And it is a 5 volt 4 ampere charger, guys. As you can see, it has been written over here 5 volt 4 ampere, and it is a 20 watt charger. And on this part of the box we also have this OnePlus USB Type-C cable. It is always recommended to use this cable to charge your OnePlus 7 device along with its provided default dash charger. As you can see, this is the back surface of the OnePlus 7 smartphone, and it has this OnePlus logo that is present on the back, and also the name OnePlus is present over here. And there is this dual camera setup, which is a 48 megapixel primary sensor and a 5 megapixel secondary sensor, and also we have this flash. And on the bottom surface of the smartphone we have the speaker grills and also the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfers. And there is this single 16 megapixel front facing camera which helps for selfies, guys. And on this surface of the smartphone we have this volume up and volume down button, and also we have this SIM tray which you have to use in order to put your SIM card inside the smartphone. And on the right side of the device we have this alert slider, which is a OnePlus device speciality, and also we have this power on and off button. Now what we'll do is we'll try to power on this device and we'll see if we have some juice in it or not. Let me set up the smartphone and I'll be back in a while. Now what I'll do is I'll add my face data for face unlock and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So guys, the face data has been successfully added while setting up my device. Now what I'll do is I'll set up the fingerprint scanner and I'll show you guys how is the speed of the fingerprint scanner as well. So this is the portion where we have to keep our thumb finger to make sure the fingerprint scanner gets set up. So guys, we have successfully set up our OnePlus 7 smartphone, and once we have successfully set up the device, we'll be greeted to this OnePlus launcher. So this is the OnePlus launcher which comes default on the OnePlus devices, which absolutely contains no bloatware. And this launcher is common on almost all OnePlus devices like the OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 6T, and also the OnePlus 6. This smartphone comes installed with some of the default applications like the Netflix app and also some OnePlus specific apps like the OnePlus community. So let's go to the app drawer, guys. This is the app drawer, and as you can see, there is no bloatware whatsoever except the Netflix app. So now we'll quickly jump into the settings and see the information about the smartphone. So once we scroll down, there is this about phone section, and in this about phone section, it says that it is an optic AMOLED 6.41 inch display. It has a 48 and 5 megapixel dual rear facing camera, and as we all know, it runs on the latest Snapdragon 855 SoC, and this particular variant is a 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant. And right after I turned on this smartphone and I set it up, I got an update from OnePlus, which is a 9.5.6 update. So once we go to the storage department, as you can see, it has this 128 GB of onboard storage, and out of that 18 GB is already used. So we'll be getting around 110 GB of storage that is left on this smartphone, which is actually really enough, guys. As you can see, this is the alert slider, guys. If I put it to this, it will become vibrate. If I make like this, it will become in ringer mode. So this is the volume down button and this is the volume up button. You can control your media either via your fingers and also by using the buttons as well. So guys, now let's check the speed of the fingerprint scanner. So this is the fingerprint scanner. If I click on this, it gets unlocked. So click on this, it will get unlocked. Click on this, it will get unlocked. So guys, now let's test the speed of the face unlock on the OnePlus 7 smartphone. So as you can see, I am holding the smartphone in my hand. I'll see to this smartphone and it gets unlocked. I have locked this phone. I have pressed the power button. As you can see, I have pressed the power button. I'll see it gets unlocked. I'll see it gets unlocked. So guys, now we'll check the camera interface and take some camera samples, guys. So as you can see, this is the camera interface. When we allow the permission, this is the default OnePlus camera interface that we'll get to see in almost all OnePlus devices like the OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro, or also the OnePlus previous generation devices like the OnePlus 6T or the OnePlus 6. This is the photo mode, guys. So once we pull from the bottom, we'll get some other options like this, which says the video mode and the portrait mode, nightscape mode, which is basically the night mode. The Pro mode will get the time-lapse mode, the panorama mode, slow motion, and also the settings. Customized modes are present, manual HDR control, smart content detection, store location data, shutter sound is present, and I want to keep the grid to 3x3, which I actually like while taking photos. You can just add the OnePlus watermark or not, and there is this mirrored photo, histogram, and other options that is present for photo. So once we go to the video mode, on the top of the screen, you can just click on the 1080p, and you can access 1080p 60 fps footage, and you can access the 4K footage, and also you can access the 4K 60 fps footage. This phone supports 4K 60 fps footage, guys. In the subsequent videos or in future videos, I'll be bringing the video recording capabilities of the OnePlus smartphones in 4K 60 fps as well. So guys, now let me take some photos and I'll show you the sampled photographs as well. So guys, this was it for the unboxing and first impressions of the OnePlus 7 smartphone. If you have any questions or queries about the smartphone, please drop them in the comment section below. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends. And if you have still not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you have to hit that subscribe button, as we'll be bringing some amazing videos on the OnePlus 7. And also, we'll be bringing more devices, and we'll also try to cover more devices in future. So stay tuned, as some more amazing surprises are coming on our channel. And also, we'll bring amazing videos like tips, tricks, softwares, applications, and a lot of things in diverse and in detail related to technology. Thank you for watching, guys.